Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the devices. Charge the watch and enable Bluetooth on your phone so pairing is quick. Open the companion app and sign in. Grant permissions because the app needs location and time access to set the watch correctly. Once done, keep both devices close, within 3 meters, and keep screens active. You do this to prevent time sync interruptions and to let the app fetch network time automatically, which avoids manual entry later. You proceed by starting the device setup in the app. Pick your watch model and follow on-screen pairing prompts. When a pairing code appears, confirm it on both watch and phone so they trust each other. This enables secure data exchange. Then enable automatic time sync in the app. This tells the watch to mirror the phone's network-derived time. Make sure you also turn on auto time zone and use phone time because those keep the watch accurate across travel. If automatic sync fails, you set the watch time manually through its settings system time menu. Enter hours and minutes and pick 12/24-hour format. Once done, restart both watch and phone, re-enable Bluetooth, and try syncing again because a simple reboot often clears clocks and connection issues. If the time is still wrong, make sure the companion app has permission to access phone time and that your phone is using network-provided time. That usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.